The United Kingdom immigration and nationality laws have specific provisions for adopted children. The application of these laws can vary depending on the child's circumstances. Things to consider include whether the adoption is domestic or international, and whether the adoption was finalized in the UK or by a recognized overseas process. Domestic adoptions. Children adopted within the UK typically become British citizens if the adoptive parents are British citizens. The adoption must be recognized under the Adoption and Children Act 2002 or the Adoption Scotland Act 2007, amongst other relevant legislation. Automatic citizenship is when a child adopted in the UK by British citizen parents usually acquires British citizenship automatically. Registration occurs if automatic citizenship does not apply. The child may need to be registered as a British citizen under Section 3(1) of the British Nationality Act 1981. Inter-country adoptions. For children adopted from outside the UK, the process is more complex. The UK recognises two types of inter-country adoptions: Hague Convention adoptions and non-Hague Convention adoptions. Hague Convention adoptions are categorised as automatic citizenship, i.e. children adopted under the Hague Convention on Protection of Children and Cooperation in Respect of Inter-Country Adoption may automatically acquire British citizenship if at least one adoptive parent is a British citizen at the time of the adoption. Visa requirements, i.e. the child must obtain a visa to enter the UK if they do not automatically acquire citizenship. Non-Hague Convention adoptions are categorised as no automatic citizenship, i.e. children adopted from non-Hague Convention countries do not automatically acquire British citizenship. Entry clearance, i.e. these children must obtain entry clearance to enter the UK for adoption, which can be either a visa or a settlement permit. Registration for citizenship, i.e. post-adoption, the child may need to be registered as a British citizen, which typically involves demonstrating that the adoption is recognised under UK law. Requirements for adoptive parents. Adoptive parents must meet specific criteria to adopt a child from overseas and bring them to the UK. Habitual residence, i.e. at least one adoptive parent, must be habitually resident in the UK. Age and relationship, i.e. the parents must be at least 21 years old, and the adoption must create a genuine parent-child relationship. Adoption order, i.e. the adoption must be legally valid, either through a recognised UK adoption order or an adoption order recognised under the Hague Convention. British Overseas Territories. Adopted children in British Overseas Territories are subject to slightly different rules. They must meet the specific requirements set out by the relevant territory's immigration and nationality laws. Registration and naturalisation. If a child does not automatically become a British citizen through adoption, they can be registered as a British citizen. The process involves application, i.e. submitting an application to the Home Office. Supporting documents, i.e. providing evidence of the adoption, the child's identity, and the adoptive parent's British citizenship. Good character requirement, i.e. for children over the age of 10, demonstrating good character is necessary. Additional considerations. Integration requirements, i.e. adoptive parents must show their ability to integrate the child into their family and community in the UK. Welfare and best interests, i.e. the welfare and best interests of the child are paramount considerations in all adoption-related immigration and nationality matters. These laws and procedures ensure that adopted children are protected and their rights are upheld while also maintaining the integrity of the UK's immigration and nationality framework. For specific cases, it is advisable to consult legal experts such as Compass Immigration Law Limited or the Home Office directly to navigate the detailed requirements and processes. For more information, get in touch using the details on screen.